Since the PS5 came out, there were many things that in my opinion could be better, or at least could be improved. However, for something I had to wait, but now it's finally possible. While the brightness of the controller lights could be adjusted since the beginning, and they later included the option to adjust the volume of the beep starting sound, I couldn't adjust the LED brightness of the console itself. That sometimes bothered me, especially when I wanted to play in a dark environment where the light distracted me. With the 9.0 firmware update, between some other features, now I can finally adjust the brightness of the light bar. For doing this, everything I need to do is go to Settings, System, Beep and Light, Power Indicator, and here I have three options: Bright, which is the standard, Medium, and Dim. This is how it looks on Medium, which is fair enough, and this is how it looks on Dim, which is definitely a lot better in some circumstances. For letting me know that my console is turned on, I definitely don't need any more light. Is this a big deal? Well, I would say no. But it's a nice feature and in my opinion something natural, a setting that should have been there by default since the beginning. Thanks for watching, see you in the next one.